starting to see the fruits of my labor. I don't know if it's Pòtieri. Pòtieri? Y'all, I'm probably messing it up. Baby, that's a good brandy. 21 and up. Drink responsibly. Y'all need to fly me out. I mean, I'm just putting it out there. You know, wishful thinking. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good, y'all. Look, as you can see, I'm not at home. And as you can see by the title, I have a whole nother PR unboxing, period. The brands are rolling in, y'all. Like your girl is getting to these brands for real. Yeah, I'm just so excited for me, like, a whole nother brand, seriously? Let me find out the last quarter of the year, I'm really going out with a bang. But look, y'all, before we get right into this video, what I need everybody to do, if you're not already subscribed to your girl, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the like, hit the comment, say hey, I promise you I'll talk back, and hit the bell so you will know whenever I'm posting. But yeah, y'all, let's just get right into this video. I have one huge package. Well, it's not even huge, but it is huge. It's huge, period. It's huge. So I do have a huge package. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. The reason why I'm not at home, as you can see, I definitely wanted to do some content for this brand. But I wanted to just give a lot of things. And y'all gonna see it. Baby, you gonna see it. I promise you gonna see it. Probably in my next video or so. But yeah, that's why I'm not home. Because sometimes I just kind of feel like, yes, I love doing my content at home. Like, I truly do. But sometimes it started to get repetitive in a way, if that makes sense. Like, sometimes you might get tired or boring of seeing the same old stuff. And honestly, guys, like, my apartment is not decorated all the way how I want it to be. So it's just, sometimes it just looks so plain and dull. So I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna go all out. We're gonna put in a lot of effort. We're gonna do it this time. And I'm gonna show y'all how it's done. No, y'all, for real. Look, I'm super excited. I have just been partnered with a black owned, and I told y'all at the beginning of the year, like I said, look, we supporting black owned businesses all year. I said that. And what do you know? I am about to be partnered with, well, not about to be, I am partnered with a black owned luxury liquor brand. When I said God doing his big one on me, thank you, Lord. Like, what? Y'all, I'm super, super excited. So look, I'm gonna show y'all the package. This is how it came. Y'all, I've been waiting to open this daggone box with you guys. And y'all, I don't know how to pronounce it. Like, this is my problem. Like, your girl really need to learn how to talk. I need to learn how to pronunciate my words. Not pronunciate, pronounce my words. You see how I can't talk? Y'all, it's sad, yo. Because like, now that brands are starting to want to fool with your girl, it's like, Brie, you have to know how to talk. You have to know how to say the names of these things. You can't be going around messing these people's names brand up. But yeah, I don't know how to pronounce this. Like, I don't know if it's Pòtieri. Y'all, I'm probably messing it up. And y'all, I am so sorry that I'm messing y'all name up. I promise you I'm sorry. Baby, I have a hard time trying to pronounce things. The people on this side know. And I'ma just keep it real. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and open her up. I'm definitely gonna do a taste test with you guys. Y'all, not only do I got a big bottle, y'all, I even have a small bottle. Y'all, look at this small bottle. I see it. Look at the small bottle. Pòtieri, and it says cocktail, and this is a passion fruit vodka brandy based cocktail. Y'all, it looks so nice, so elegant, so luxury. Y'all, I didn't know I was gonna be getting all that ass. So I probably just drank it out the little one instead of the big one, because I definitely have to do my content and stuff. But I didn't know your girl was gonna get a cute little personal. Let me show you how it came. Like, look at this, y'all. Oh, I cannot wait. Y'all, when I tell you this content ready to eat, y'all don't even know. Ready to serve craft spirit cocktail. So I guess like basically you don't really have to mix it with anything. It's already supposed to be mixed, ready for you to go. You're just supposed to drink it. You feel what I'm saying? So y'all, that's what it's giving. Let's get into this. Y'all, this box is so nice. Look. Oh my god, your girl is getting into some things, y'all, like starting to see the fruits of my labor. Found out I said that right. Oh. But nah, y'all, like I'm literally starting to see more and more like the grind that I've been doing and trying to just push myself to just keep going. Like I've been doing this for like a while now, like a couple years now, and it's just like, wow, I'm finally starting to see, like, I know I'm growing, but I'm starting to see like the true growth far as in brands wanting to start working with me again and just different things. Like I'm starting to actually see that, guys, and I'm just so excited. Like all I can tell you is consistency is the key, and you guys already see, like I think I only got like 2K subscribers on here, but look at what you can still get. You feel what I'm saying? If you just grind hard and you put in that work and you just stay consistent with everything, guys, like I'm just trying to tell you, like, this could be you too, period. I just did not think it was gonna come packaged very nice. Child, I just thought I was gonna get the bottle. You feel what I'm saying? No, this is packaged nice, very much so black elegance in real life. Black on. This how they come, baby, this how they coming, y'all. Look, when I open it up, oh! Wow, this is so beautiful. I love it. And it really do look so elegant. I love the black with the red and the gold. Like, it is so stinking cute. Like, obsessed. Like, thank you so much. Y'all, if I'm pronouncing it right, Pòtieri. Thank you so much. I pray I'm saying you guys' name right. Yeah, hoping I'm saying it right. But I also want to give still a huge shout out to Plug Social for even helping me land a lot of these brands that are coming to me, guys. Like, shout out to them. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah. But look, y'all, like I said, I want to get on here and I want to try this out with you guys. So let's go ahead and try out Pòtieri. Let's try this cocktail out and just see what it's giving, y'all. Let's do a smell test. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it smells good though, but yeah, it's definitely brandy. Vodka brandy base. Okay, let's see. Honestly, guys, that's not bad. It's strong. Ooh, I can feel it right here. Ooh, that's liquor. Baby, that's liquor all day. Wait a minute. But it's still good, but it got that kick. It got that kick. Ooh, child, you would get toe up drinking this, and it do say it's 21% alcohol. Child, you'll get toe up. Woo, that's liquor. But it's good though, it's good. Baby, that's a good brandy. You could drink, like, honestly, guys, I wouldn't even put nothing else in this. I would just try to put it in the refrigerator or the freezer, make it cold. And y'all, this could just be it. Like, you don't even need nothing else. I'm gonna give it like a 9. Maybe an 8. Oh, okay. 8.5 or 9 out of 10. And that's just because, like, it's the smoothness of it. It's still fruity. It's strong, because I know a lot of people love a nice, good, strong drink. It's still strong. It's not bad. Baby, I'm here for black owned businesses. So yes, thank you guys so much wanting to partner with me, and I'm just praying that I'll be able to continue to keep on partnering with you guys in the future, because this is good. Y'all need to fly me out. Fly me out there where y'all at. Y'all have a little event. Fly me out, I'll come. I mean, I'm just putting it out there. You know, wishful thinking. But no, seriously, guys, that's it. Honestly, I just wanted to get on here, show you guys that I am partnering with a new brand. I'm super excited. I would definitely say, bruh, go ahead and try it out. I promise you, like, to all of my older subscribers, 21 and up, drink responsibly. I would definitely say this is a liquor that you should definitely try. Why not? It's black owned. Let's support our black owned businesses. Like, seriously. And like, when I'm not lying. I am a person, I love nothing but fruity drinks. I don't really care for strong drinks at all like that. So when I tell you this is a good purchase for the girls that like fruity drinks, because this is actually a nice fruity drink and it got that kick at the end. I think you guys will love it. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I enjoyed. And like I told y'all, like, man, just keep going, just keep striving. Just because you feel like, man, ain't nobody paying attention to me, this, that, and the third, I promise you, the people are paying attention. Like, you might not get all of the views, but all I'm gonna tell you is the right people is paying you attention. So keep pushing, keep thriving, and keep posting that content and keep going. And we all gonna go out with a bang for the remainder of the year. Y'all gonna keep going with a bang. And I wish that for everybody. I pray that for everybody on the other side. Keep going, man. But yeah, y'all, that's it. Y'all already know what time it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. But until next time, I love y'all. Bye.